our 8-pan gelato display. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 31.5 inches, a depth of 25.5 inches, and a height of 11.5 inches tall. Coming to the front is your power switch along with the temperature control, overhead swing door, and included will be 8 individual gelato pans. Each pan will measure 6.5 inches in length by 6 3/4 inches in depth. Interior dimensions will include 5.5 inches in length by 6 inches in depth, with an overall height of 4 inches tall. Measurements apply for each of the 8 pans that will be included. The interior will also fit 4 larger pans as well. Coming to the back of the case will be your standard 110-120 voltage plug, along with the ETL certification and the specifications for this gelato display. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.